Bamzito, welcome to Mkosi Nomagatsheni. I am Umagatsheni, Umkosi wethu wanamhlanje. Bazala Bamzito, it's about uGogo Maweni. Gogo Maweni just posted on Instagram stories like that she just received best news from her advocate. She doesn't drink alcohol anymore, but she will have a glass of red wine just to celebrate, guys. We know that uGogo Maweni, she is currently attending a case here, assault. Kuthiwa uGogo Maweni ke watrapa wapenel beater isqueezer sakhe or i-ex-squeezer usisi ka-ex-boyfriend yakhe or i-baby daddy wakhe who is late now, ubaba wale last born yakhe, guys. So kuthiwa uGogo Maweni washaya loyo sisi loyo on the year 2019, but ke bavula icala lakhona phela icala livuke recently after uGogo Skhotheni ayenze i-live whereby i-ex-friend yakaGogo Maweni joined the live. I-ex-friend igama lakhe uPrecious, and the girl wasinika igaci eningi. The girl said uGogo Maweni usola ngathi uGogo Maweni ne wacima umyeni wakhe ngoba uthi she received a call from uGogo Maweni athi Chomi kinali gift, I have something for you, please itswa yena cause she was busy. Wacela umyeni wakhe uthi, you know what baby, nangu phela uMaweni athi she has something for me, ngicela uphume. Indoda yathi mayiphuma yadutshulwa yashona lapho on the spot. So obvious first suspect kuzoba uGogo Maweni yena ucabanga ukuthi, and uthi the case has been dragging, akekho umuntu oboshiwe, bathi there's no enough evidence, but then deep down she knows that umuntu wasusa umyeni wakhe emhlabeni uGogo Maweni. So guys, I think nje le post uGogo Maweni ayipostile is just telling us maybe ukuthi i-case ayisekho, mhlawumbe i-case ayisekho, you know, icala lichithiwe. I don't know. I don't think icala lingachithwa because today on TikTok Dr. Matthew, sisambiza ngo-Dr. uMatthew, yes, uMatthew, who was once called uDr. Matthew, who was once preferred to be called as uDr. Matthew, the case has been postponed to May. I don't remember the date, but May. But now Gogo Maweni uthi she just received best news from the advocate. Like, I think mhlambe icala lisekho, or maybe the lady bekabophisa uGogo Maweni decide to know what, because icala lakudala and uyabona the case has been dragging, ubona to know what, let me just focus on mourning ubhuti wami and ngeke lecala liphelele emoyeni, guys. Ish nabo boGogo Maweni yabo lento yakhe ukuthi into encane mayimphethe agcuma yephezulu izomfaka enkingeni, guys, ngoba apparently allegedly, guys, bathi akusumuntu oqala mshayayo, bathi vele ugeli makakwatile uyatrapa. If you can remember, even the time athanda ucabana noTumu wathi anyaka zamcolela uTumu which is uGogo Skhotheni, anyaka zacolela uGogo Skhotheni mangahlangani naye emtrapi. So that means indlela yakhe no makakwatile ufuna ukushaya abantu, which is not a nice thing, guys. Umuntu uzovela akucuphe vele masomazi uthi uyashaya umuntu uzovela akucuphe umuntu azi ukuthi masomshaya uzovela kubophise. So if icala liphelile, ayona line, guys, ngiyacala usho lento le bengimfilela nje because she's pregnant, you know, and unabantwana, you know, she's a single parent of 3, expect abantwana abayi-2. So bengicabanga ukuthi abantwana bayophila ngani moya engcwele, because uSabelo I do trust uSabelo, but if umuntu uzomove on masoboshiwe, especially nganabantwana, bengimzwela bengifile ngathi yazi ecala maliphele akhulisa abantwana bakhe ugirl, because she is a best mom and a great mom and she is working hard. Bengimzwela ngifuna uqamba manga, even though I feel as if abantu mangabe vele ubawonile kumele bathole justice, but bengimzwela yona. Like, that is all for now, bazala Bamzito. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.